Before you can build anything with Claude Code, you have to install it. And if you've never opened a terminal in your life, I know, that sounds intimidating. It isn't. In about 6 minutes, I'll walk you through every single step: installing Claude Code, installing Git, logging in, and running your very first prompt. No coding experience. Nothing to memorize. Just copy what's on screen, one command at a time. By the end, you'll be set up and ready to build. Let's do it together. First, 2 things you need. 1. A Claude account on a paid plan, Pro or Max. Claude Code isn't free, and I'd rather you hear that from me now than be surprised later. 2. A Mac or Windows computer and about 6 minutes. Quick aside, if the terminal really isn't your thing, Claude Code also has a desktop app and a web version. But these tutorials use the terminal, so that's what we'll set up. I promise it's easier than it looks. Let's start. On a Mac, press Command and space, type terminal and hit enter. On Windows, open the Start menu, type PowerShell and hit enter. This little window is the terminal, it's just where you type commands. That's all it is. Now we install Claude Code with one command, and it's right here in the official docs. Copy this line, it's in the description too. Paste it in and press enter. It downloads, installs itself, and from here on it keeps itself up to date automatically, no maintenance. On Windows, use the PowerShell line instead, also in the description. And if you'd rather, Mac users can use Homebrew and Windows users Winget, those are in the description as well. Next, Git. Think of Git as your save points. It lets you undo anything, and Claude Code leans on it constantly. On a Mac, type git -- version. If it's already there, perfect. If not, a small window pops up asking to install the command line tools, click Install, and that's Git. On Windows, head to the Git for Windows page at gitscm.com, download the installer, and just click through the defaults. Either way, when git -- version prints a number, you're good. One quick bit of setup so Git can sign your work. 2 lines. Git config global username with your name in quotes, and git config global user email with your email. Do this once and you're set forever. Now let's actually run it. We'll make a folder to work in, type make dir, my first project. Then cd, my first project, to step inside it. And then the magic word, Claude. The very first time, it opens your browser and asks you to log in with your Claude account. Sign in, approve it, and come back to the terminal. It remembers you won't do this again. And here's Claude Code. Up top it shows the version, the model, and the folder you're in. Anytime, type /help to see everything it can do. Now let's prove it works. In plain English, type, create a simple Hello World web page and open it. Watch, Claude shows you exactly what it wants to create and asks your permission first. That permission step is the whole safety net. It never changes anything without your okay. Say yes, and there it is. Your very first thing built by Claude Code. A few quick ones to remember. /help for the menu, /clear to start fresh, /exit or Control-D to quit, and /login if you ever switch accounts. They're all in the description, so don't worry about memorizing them. And that's it. Claude Code and Git installed, logged in, and working. You are ready. The first real build, where we make a game from scratch with one document, is right here. I'll see you in there.